call.
Delegate Albert, Delegate Asher,
No.
Delegate Bossi,
Amen.
Delegate Cantero, Delegate Chur, Delegate Fritz, Delegate Ashiguchi,
Lagi.
Vice President Isonanka Nariarte, Delegate Canto, Delegate Louis, Delegate Martin, Delegate Mori, present. Delegate Nabayan, Delegate Naij,
Iran.
Delegate Nokat,
Amen.
Delegate Balsis,
Yes.
Delegate Simon, Delegate Samo,
Present.
Delegate Sikra, here. Delegate Sitan, Delegate Susaya, Delegate Takasi, Lord Leader Yatelman,
Present.
President Kilian.
Here.
Mr. President, we have 21 delegates that are present.
Thank you very much. So we have a quorum to transact business. For the record, we have delegates Simon Isonankin, Iriarte, and Delegate, I guess you are excused, can be joining us later today. So moving on, item 4, adoption of journals. Floor leader.
Mr. President, I move that we adopt journal of the second day through to the seventh day.
Any second? It's been moved and seconded that we adopt those journals for those days as mentioned by floor leader. Discussion.
Mr. President,
Delegate Fritz.
thank you very much, Mr. President. Just for the records, I asked our journal clerk to note some mistakes in the journals, and I believe he has corrected them, so that should be the one that we should do in terms of the statement that I made. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. If not, all those in favor of the motion say aye. All those opposed say nay. Motion carried. Moving on.
Mr. President,
Yes. Floor leader.
apologies to interrupt here, but I was reminded yesterday after the conclusion of the plenary yesterday that even though I came in late, I was still and participated in the rest of the plenary, that I was still absent, at least in the record. So I'd like to say for the record that I was here yesterday. I'll be late.
Thank you, Mr. Floor leader. That's already noted. It is true that you came in the room.
Point of order, Mr. President.
Yes, Chairman Albert.
Thank you, Mr. President. I wish to take this opportunity to acknowledge the presence of Mr. Peterson Sam, who is the Commissioner of P6A Radio Republic, and his team of co-workers, who is tasked by his intention to broadcast our deliberations to our citizens throughout the world. I personally would like to extend, on behalf of ISO and the delegation of Bombay, our utmost gratitude to Mr. Peterson and his team. Nawao Kakakit.
Thank you very much, Chairman Albert, and welcome, Mr. Welcome, Mr. Sam, this morning. Thank you. Okay. Any other matters? Moving on, communications.
Under item 5 for communications, we have one state communication, and it's number 4-1.
Thank you. That is communication from Lieutenant Governor of Chuuk to the Minister. This further as attached to the order there too. Any other state communications?
There are no more, Mr. President.
Unfinished business.
For item 6, unfinished business, none, Mr. President.
Reports of committees.
There are currently no reports from committees, Mr. President.
Item 8, first reading of committee proposals.
None, Mr. President.
Second reading of committee proposals.
None also, Mr. President.
Final reading of proposed constitutional amendments.
None at the moment, Mr. President.
Consideration of resolutions.
As of now, there are no resolutions, Mr. President.
Introduction and referral of delegate proposals and resolutions. See referral sheet number 405 attached to the order. So the recess declared.
Thank you very much, interesting topic, sir. I just want to ask a question. Delegate Chinese and I, on behalf of our delegation, had requested our staff to start proposal, and we just want its steps relating to employment, right? It's almost similar to what Delegate Victor asked. We were trying to amend the provision, the general provision that allow the national government to provide some services, political services, education and health, and we wanted to insert healthy environment as a right to our citizens. So, to protect our environment and is it being drafted this time? But we just want to make sure it's in the project so it can come out.
Let's see the response.
For all the communications that have been sent to me for drafting proposals, I've been trying to get those done and back to the delegates as quickly as possible. And so I'll be working this afternoon. And if there's proposed language that's sent to me, those are our first in, first out. If the language has not yet been proposed, those are ones that will that I'll be spending some time over the weekend to work on so we can get them introduced on Monday.
I think if you want us to do some drafting on all of this, so it can be to some sort of languages, but if there are others who are not, don't have the skills to draft something like
We're now back to session. If not, the discussion on item 12. We're now item 13.
For item 13, we have special orders. It's none at the moment, Mr. President.
Miscellaneous business. Any miscellaneous business by any delegates who wish to bring forth, aside from those who already discussed previous days?
Mr. President,
Yes, Mr. Floor Leader.
I realize that Wednesday is our last day of session before we go on recess. And so, like for instance, the delegation from YAP, we would like to all depart on Thursday to go to Guam and then do our consultation with the YAP citizens in Guam before going on to YAP on Saturday night to do consultations in YAP. So I'd like to encourage the Secretary to please work on our travel documents so that they're ready by next week. Thank you, Mr. President.
Thank you very much, Mr. Floor Leader. That is going to be taken care of by the Secretariat. Any other miscellaneous matters?
Mr. President,
Yes, Delegate Fritz.
thank you very much, Mr. President. I just want to make some comments with respect to convention proposal 4-20. That's the proposal which was submitted by of us here on behalf of our delegation, but there needs to be some changes as the proposal itself relating to section 5 of Article 9. If you read the purpose and intent, some of the ideas that we wish to include are not inclusive in the proposal itself. So I'm just highlighting the appropriate family that that particular language is not complete. So when the committee takes it up, we will come with the proper language that will make it complete. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Delegate Fritz. That has been dealt with. Thank you. Okay,
Mr. President,
yes.
for purpose of Rule 50 and 51, I would like to familiarize myself. I move for wishes.
Can we restate your motion again?
For purpose of familiarizing myself with Rule 50 and 51, I would like to move for wishes.
Reserve stickler. Okay. The rule 50 and 51.
05, be withdrawn from the Committee on Civil Liberties and be reassigned to the Committee on Government Structure and Functions. Thank you.
Any second?
Second.
It's been moved and seconded as suggested or moved by Chairman Abayan and seconded by Delegate Susaya that that particular proposal be withdrawn from the Committee on Civil Liberties to Committee on Government Structure. That's right. Discussion? If no discussion, all those in favor of the motion say aye. All those opposed say nay. Motion carried. So, moving on, if no other miscellaneous business announcements, I can start off with, yes,
Thank you very much.
Delegate Kanto.
This is under miscellaneous.
Sorry, we are announcements.
Oh, I was just like to.
So if no objection, we go back to miscellaneous. So we're now back to miscellaneous.
Thank you. I brought this issue up before, but I don't know. It seems like we don't take it seriously, or maybe it's not a serious matter. On the budget for this convention, I saw one issue sent out yesterday by our secretariat to the delegation on their budget. Yet, I thought, I'm not sure if they need to be approved by this convention before they are sent out. To my understanding, I'm not sure if I understood correctly from our meeting with the speaker and the vice speaker. They were asking if we approve the budget and some of the items in the under budget. So until now, I don't see that we've approved that budget yet. Or I don't know if you guys just decided that the chairman of the delegation will approve it or not. But I'm still not yet sure. That's why I brought it up. I'm bringing it up as an initiative today.
Thank you, Delegate Kanto. Declare services. Okay. Budget committee, can you plan?
discussion then. I move that the budget as proposed and submitted by the pre-convention committee and also considered by the leadership be approved as the budget for this convention to be formally submitted to Congress for consideration.
Second.
Second.
It's been moved and seconded. The motion put forth by Delegate Fritz. Discussion. So, the discussion, all those in favor of the motion say aye. All those opposed say nay. That motion carried. So, moving on.
President.
Yes,
Just, are we still on miscellaneous?
yes, we're still on miscellaneous.
Thank you, Mr. President. Warm, good morning to everybody. Just to note that there is actually by fault.
Order. This is where I would request the Honorable Brody to remind the President that we haven't voted on the thing, which is for the other. We only voted on the motion we started doing.
Sorry.
So that motion should be up for.
Mr. President.
And then.
That's short recess. Short recess. Yes, sorry, we have not, we voted on the matter to vote on the motion as proposed? If not, the discussion, we vote. All those in favor of, yes,
What a privilege.
delegate, no,
You
get.
just announce those who are in favor of the motion, but you never announce those who are not in favor of the motion.
Now this is for a call of the
My
vote.
vote was no, but you could not hear it because you did not ask for those who are not in favor of the motion.
I was for just do that. So again, let's revote. All those in favor of the motion say aye. All those opposed say nay. Nay. So let's have division, it's called for. So let's vote by show of hands. Easier. All those in favor of,
Mr. President, ma'am, I think we need to clarification what the motion is. I think that's why we're. Can the mover please restate the motion? And I think we need to understand, if we defeat the motion, what does that mean? That means the budget is not approved?
that means,
So
yes.
can we have the mover please restate his motion for clarity so we fully vote, we know exactly what we're voting on?
Recess is called for, Kathy. President. Thank you, Delegate Fritz, for the withdrawal of the motion and also the second. Okay, thank you. So the motion is being withdrawn. Floor leader, are we in order? Yes. So let's, if no objection, unless there are other matters under miscellaneous, we move on to announcements. Mr. President. Yes. Who has the floor?
Mr. President,
Yes. This is part four.
yes, you need to entertain.
Reminder, we shall vote on the motion to withdraw. All those in favor of the motion to withdraw, say aye. Aye. All those opposed, say nay. Therefore, the motion to withdraw has been approved. So, moving on miscellaneous business, if no other, yes, Delegate Samo.
President, just under miscellaneous, as I introduced, since I'm the introducer of number 4-18, I noticed that I gave the wrong version to LC few omission on my part. Just want to point that out, and I will raise that at committee hearings since the chairman kindly asked that I also be present. Thank you.
Thank you, Delegate Samo. So be noted with the LC. Okay, any other miscellaneous, if not? Yes, Delegate Mori, Chairperson Mori.
Thank you. Good afternoon. Can we get a delegate schedule for, a schedule for committee hearings this afternoon?
Any response to that? Yes. Delegate Sosaya?
On behalf of the Pompey delegation, I ask that the journal of today reflects that our chairman is present. And Delegate Simon.
Thank you, Delegate Sosaya. That's already noted in our journal for today. The two honorable delegates are joining us now. Chairman Romel.
Recess, please.
Short recess called for. First of all, I wish to announce that we now have two new secretaries to cover the some of the committees, especially committees on general provisions, liberties and civil liberties and traditions, as well as the Committee on Public Finance and Revenue. And we are still working on the third one, is about to be added in addition to these two new secretaries that already been on board, so they're going to service these committees. So the additional one will be servicing the other remaining committees. And also I wish to announce that have been requested by our Executive Director that we should have a photo session for tomorrow, after our session. So our photographer, whoever that's going to be, is going to take our individual photo to be part of our, yes, journal or our web page. So just an information so that each one of us come ready and prepared to be photogenic so that we can look your best in the photos that will be distributed throughout the nation and outside of our nation. That was our two announcements which I wish to make. Any other announcements by any of the chairpersons?
Mr. President.
Yes, Chairman Babayan.
Yeah, just to announce that your Committee on Government Structure and Functions will be holding its hearing meeting tomorrow at 2:30. I would like to try the table with your permission, Mr. President, to use the table so that the committee work and testimonies may be recorded. Thank you. So we'll try to 2:30 tomorrow in the table.
Thank you very much, Chairman Babayan. Chairman Albert.
Mr. President, thank you. I just want to first thank you for providing our secretary, so that changed our schedule for my homecoming. May I ask that we meet tomorrow at 8:30? Let's maintain the same place since we already have a recording place, so we don't need to be. Thank you.
Thank you, Chairman Albert. Chairman Sidan.
President, your meeting on public finance will recess until we get the final information on revenue protection and budget from Department of Finance. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Chairperson Sikram, you have any announcements from your Committee on General Provisions?
Yes, thank you. Committee on General Provision will meet this Saturday, February 18th, at 8:30 in the morning, and we will meet at the committee room.
Committee room.
Yes.
Okay, Committee on General Provisions, chaired by Chairperson Sikra, will meet on Saturday at 8:30 at the committee room, next Congress office. Any other announcements by the other committee chairman? If none, then
President,
yes, Chairman Parsis.
I'm calling the USAID allocation to meet immediately after session today. That includes the staff. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Chairman Parsis. Any other announcements by the other chairman, chairperson of the delegations or committees? If none, floor leader.
Thank you, Mr. President. I move that the convention stands in recess until 10 o'clock tomorrow.
Any second? No second. All those in favor of the motion to adjourn until tomorrow at 10, say aye. No, who's in? Our session is adjourned until tomorrow, 10 o'clock.